breaking news, the Florida governor is saying if you're able to go early, leave now. He has ordered a mandatory evacuation. A state of emergency has been declared for all of Florida. It's very scary, it's very weird, but it's very real. Quote, Radiohead, this is really happening. So please take this very seriously.
This is a dangerous storm and it is never too early to evacuate. It is never too early to evacuate. If you live in a low-lying area, on a barrier island, or an area prone to flooding, you need to consider making your plans now to leave. Don't wait for the order to do it. If you know that you're prone to flooding, you're in a barrier island, a low-lying area, go ahead and leave. Our number one priority is protecting life. The storm has already killed multiple people, and we should expect the same impact in Florida if people do not take this seriously.
Stay cool. This is a Thor News presentation. Thor News presents. Hello, y'all. It is Thor. The information is coming in so fast and so furious, I'm having a hard time keeping up with it. And the latest additions to this very strange, very dangerous, possibly catastrophic for the East Coast of America situation, we have President Obama, warning about Hurricane Matthew and that you need to take this seriously. And I don't care what your feelings are about President Obama. Personally, I don't think we've had a president since JFK had his brains blown out all over his wife, but that is neither here nor there. Now, what I'm saying is his message is solid. This is the same message I've been bringing to you since the 27th and technically for a couple months on the strange, deteriorating situation in the Atlantic Ocean. And now we have breaking news. The Florida governor is saying if you're able to go early, leave now. He has ordered a mandatory evacuation. A state of emergency has been declared for all of Florida. Evacuations in a state of emergency have been declared for the Carolinas. And if you don't care about the governor saying that or the president saying that, all you gotta do is take a look at the storm, man. Hey, scalar rings. I mean, I know everybody's thinking that the scalar rings are from HAARP and that it's always negative, but I've been watching it and I think it's the other way around. That they are really worrying about it and they're trying to fry these things because these things are happening so hot and so fast and they're growing so rapidly. They're doing what they can as defense. I could be wrong, but like I said, all right, this is Matthew, hurricane, tropical storm Nicole, and then this giant system, nobody knows where it's going. So, and then we can follow this trail right here. It's giant T. It's very scary. It's very weird, but it's very real. Quote, Radiohead, this is really happening. So please take this very seriously. Because if the worst case scenario hits in this situation, we're talking over 20 feet of storm surge. Now I pray to God it's not going to happen, but you have to be prepared. Prepare for the worst case scenario. Celebrate the best case if it happens. So I will be covering this storm. I've been on this nonstop. Feel like I'm saving lives. Anyway, please take this seriously. And like I said, all you gotta do is look at that thing, man. It's scary. It's weird. So God bless everyone. Now is a great time for all of us to put aside our differences. And remember, we are all part of the human earth family. And it's time for us to work together. Because I guarantee you, if we don't, the universe is going to punch us square in the face and humble us. If we don't choose to do the right thing, the universe will force us to. All right. God bless everybody. Stay cool. I'll have another video out pretty soon that I've been working on with all the experts and another thing showing why the 8th is a very scary day. Peace out.
Matthew could soon affect areas all across the southeast. So at my direction, FEMA has been on the ground in Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina. So everybody needs to be paying attention and following the instructions of your local officials. Haiti, one of the poorest countries in the world, already suffering from a range of previous disasters, has been hit really hard by this storm. Visit the Center for International Disaster Information. The website is CIDI.org, CIDI.org. You can find out how you can help even as you are waiting to get instructions from your local officials. Now's the time for you to prepare in the event that you have to evacuate.